See here, again we are ready with the next example and we have to solve the multiplication with the help of Urdhva-Tiryak-Vyam method. See here, according to the rule you are knowing that I have to make three groups, first, second and third. So that I have made earlier, no problem. First, second, third. In the first group, what are the digits which are written on the ones place? 4 and 7. In the third group, what are the digits which are written on the tens place? You can see 2 and 7. And in the for the middle group, what I have to do? I have to go for the crosswise multiplication. One by one we have to do. 4 7 ja 28. Okay. 2 7 ja 14. Okay. Crosswise multiply for the middle group. Second group 2 7 ja 14. Directly I can write down 2 7 ja 14 plus 3 4 ja 12. Right now 14 slash 14 and 12 I have to go for the addition. 4 to 6 1 1 to 26 and this is the 28. Right now see for the answer what I have to do. Only one digit I have to consider from every section. So 8 I am considering here. So that 2 will be the carry forward digit for the next group. Okay, and what is my next group? Second group. So that 2 I have to add with the 26. So what will be there? 26 plus 2 will give me 28. So 8 I have to consider here, and again that 2 will be the carry forward, and that carry forward digit I have to add with the 14. So 14 plus 2 will give me 14 and 2 will give me 16. So that is my final answer. So many other example I am writing here. For example, if it is the case of 72 into you can see 25. How I have to do? See, third group, second group, first group. In the first group 2 and 5. In the second group 70 to 25. In the first group 7 and 2. Right now we can solve it faster. See, 2 5 ja 10 and here 7 2 ja 14. Crosswise multiply for the middle group. 7 5 ja 35 plus 2 2 ja 4. That you can understand. 14 same. 35 plus 4, it will give me 39, and here 10. What I have told you again for the answer. What I have told you for the answer, see here again. Okay, answer I am going to calculate here. Here you can calculate 14, 39, and here is the 10. This particular side I am going transferring here, you can understand. Okay, for the final answer I have to consider only one digit from every section. So 0 will be here. 1 will be the carry forward digit with the 39. 39 plus 1 will give me 40. So 40. For the 40 I have to consider here only the last digit, that is the 0. And what is the carry forward digit here for the 44? And that 4 I have to add with the 14. So 14 plus 4 will give me 18. So that is my answer. So in the 3-4 examples I have completed multiplication of the 2 digits number. Right now I am going to tell you multiplication of the 3 digits number. Only the theory portion I will complete. After that we will see so many things. See here, multiplication of 3 digits number. Multiply 3 digits number by the Urdhva-Tiryak-Vyam method. Same method, Urdhva. I am writing only Urdhva, you can understand. Multiply 3 digits number. For example, my digits are A, B, C and here D, E, F. Multiply 3 digits number. So I am taking the example in form of A, B, C and D, E, F. If these are the arrangement my numbers. This is the ones place, this is the tens place, this is the hundred place. Same like that here also. I have to multiply both the things. So what I have to do? The number of groups. See here. For the 3 digits, the number of group will be 2 into 3 minus 1. That I have told you earlier. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5 group. How many groups will be formed if we want to multiply 3 digits number? There will be the 5 group. So 5 group I have to consider. So this is, for example, starting from the right hand side. This is my first group. This is my second group. This is my third group. This is my fourth group. And for example, this is my fifth group. These are the extra thing I am going to rub. See one by one what I have to do. Same like before. In the first group, first I am writing down A, B, C and D, E, F one after the other. From here we can understand the logic. In the first group and fifth group, operation will be same. How? In the first group, what are the digits which are written on the ones place, like C and F? So C and F directly I have to multiply. Very easy. Same like that for the fifth group. What are the digits which are written on the 100 place? What are the digits which are written on the 100 place? A and D. You can understand by here only. So that vertically they are multiplication. Vertically their multiplication means A into D. So that first group and fifth group it is going to be finished. Same like that second group operation and fourth group operation. Second and fourth group operation are also almost similar. How I have to write down you have to understand. See here for the second group I am going to tell. So in the second group I will consider these 4 digits. Means the digits which are written on the tens place and the digits which are written on the ones place. So for the second group I will write down BC and I will write down EF. And what I have to do here, because it is the two digits number, so operation will be the cross multiply. See here B into F with the addition of E into C. Because only the method is that in the second group I have to consider the 2 digits from the right hand side. So BC and EF means the tens place digit and the ones place digits. So what I have to do here, I have to go for the cross multiply and their addition. So B into F plus E into C. Same way for the fourth group. When I am going to talk about the fourth group, so for the fourth group I will consider the digits from the here. From the A. What are the digits which I are considering? A, B and D, E. A, B and D, E. Meaning is that for the fourth group when we are solving, so I have to consider the again 2 digits number. But these digits will be the 100 place digit and the tens place digit. 100 place digits and the tens place digit. And here I was considering the ones place digit and the tens place digit. Okay. Operation are almost same. Cross multiplication of the digits and their addition means A into E plus B into D. Here if I am telling you the things in form of the ABCD, so it is going to be little typical for you. But whenever we will go for the formula, whenever we will come to the exercise side, whenever we will solve so many questions in front of you, so the things will become very much easier for you. Once you are practicing at your home, things are going to be very much clear for you. See, only the third group is remained. Only the third group is remained, and for that I have to consider all the 3 digits like A, B, C and like D, E, F. Concentrate more and more here. And one particular sign I have to remember. One particular sign I have to remember. And what is that particular sign? Only for the middle group, this and this. There are the 3 things. This and this. Again, cross multiply of A and F. A into F. Cross multiply of C into D. See here. The 100 place digit and the ones place digit cross multiply. Same like that, 100 place digit and ones place digit cross multiply. One more thing is remained here, that is the middle digits. So again I have to multiply both the middle digits B into E. So this particular sign you have to remember. What is that particular sign? This and this. For what? Only for the middle group. Rest of the things we will understand with the help of the examples. Okay. Next time I will solve 2-3 examples in front of you which we are going to solve.